Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to MeetMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MeetMe application. Here you can either sign in with your Facebook account or email account. In this video, I'm gonna use my email account. So I'll tap on sign up with email option. Here you'll have to enter your details that includes name, email, password, birthday, gender and location. Now after you've entered your details, click on sign up button. Now in order to agree with the terms and consents of MeetMe, you'll have to check the two given boxes. Then tap on get started button. Here, in order to allow MeetMe to take pictures and record video, you can click on either of the first two options. So that is how you can sign into MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.